How to enable data saver on YouTube mobile app. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to enable data saver mode on YouTube mobile app. Okay, straight into it. So to begin, open up the YouTube app. Then once you're in the app, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select settings. Tap on the fourth option down, which is video quality preferences. Here you can choose a default streaming quality setting for both mobile networks and Wi-Fi. To use the least amount of data, select Data Saver. This will provide lower video quality but prevent data wastage. If you like, you can also change your video quality setting for when you're streaming on Wi-Fi networks. And that's all it takes to enable Data Saver on YouTube mobile app. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.